And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. As you can see, we're in the computer room. This is my advice to new posters on YouTube, number 11. That's 2 ones, side by side. And they're not 2, they're 10 and 1. The topic of this video is sponsors. So you say, well, there's going to be a long time before I have 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 hours of play. How about a sponsor? Someone to pay me to show their crap on my channel, and they'll give me stuff or money and stuff. Hold your breath waiting for that to materialize, baby cakes. They want people that have a lot of people watching them. Basically, if Miller Brewing Company won't put a commercial in front of your video, some tool company ain't going to give you tools and say, play with these on your channel. Tell them where you got them from. Not happening. Unless you have a special relationship with some company. You know, you own it. Your daddy owns it. You're the useless nephew in the corporation. Oh, well, I make videos. What can you screw up? Ain't going to happen. Now, there are some people who aren't sponsored. A lot of people that aren't sponsored. And they're always telling you, look at this tool. This is what I'm using for this. There's a link down below for where I got it from. Me, I just do it. Of course, I do unboxings. That's because someone may be interested in knowing about the drill press I just got. You know, probably 1 or 2 of the 49 people subscribed to my channel might actually look. Joseph Duda, about the only one who really watches me that says anything much unless I speak to them directly. And I don't know. I'm recording. Where was I before I was interrupted? Oh, yes. Sponsors. And when you have a sponsor and they're giving you stuff or money and stuff, at the top of the screen, the left top of the screen is going to be sponsored content included. That means someone's paying this guy to say this stuff and show you this crap. Now, a lot of people, they say, oh, a corporate shell. They change channel. Unless you're 65, you don't understand changing the channel. Click, 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 click. Ah! A late night movie. Great. Anyway, a lot of people just turn you off. They won't want to look at your underwater basket weaving if you're They think you're trying to sell them something. And the underwater basket weaving is just the cheese in the trap. So you may be shooting yourself by having them sponsors. Unless you want to be all about being a corporate shill for, oh, I don't know, Harbor Freight or Alibaba or Banggood. See plenty of them on YouTube. I'm pretty sure that those companies have enough corporate shills already. And unless you got 1 million subscribers, why would they want to deal with you? So, think about it. Are you about selling crap for Alibaba? Or are you about your underwater basket weaving? Think real hard. Good night from California. Stay safe.